What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite way to scan documents on your iPhone 15. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. I also got a bunch of cool links in the description down below. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to show you my favorite way of scanning documents. Okay, there's a couple ways to do it, but this is the most convenient way. It's free and it's fast to scan either one page or multiple page documents into PDF format. All right, so usually when you have a document, you can open up the Notes app. Okay, if you open up a new note and you hit the camera icon here, it will give you these options. Okay, so one of the app options is scan documents. Okay, so you can use that to scan a page. You can do that for a single page or multiple pages. But this document is not in PDF format. So there's an even better way to scan documents with your iPhone 15, and it's by using the CamScanner app. Okay, it's this one right here. I've been using it for over 15 years. It's completely free, and it's much easier and quicker to scan single or multiple page documents. All you have to do is hit the green camera icon, and as you can see here, we'll give you the option for a single page or multiple pages. Okay, so once we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and take the pictures here to scan the documents. And you can do this for as many pages as you need. Once you're ready, hit done. It's gonna load each page. Make sure they're cropped properly. Yep, looks good. So here, all we're gonna have to do is hit share. Once again, it gives you a couple different ways to share it. And then you can, if you need it in a PDF format, that's what I like about CamScanner, that you can automatically transform it to PDF and email it to yourself. So type in your email, okay, and then once your email is typed in, go ahead and hit the blue send button and it will automatically send it. And let's go ahead and log into the email. And there you go, the email came in and it's this CamScanner PDF right here. So like I said, the good thing about this is that it can automatically convert it to PDF format. Okay, and it's completely free to use. When you download the app and you set it up for the first time, it is going to ask you if you want to sign up and to enter a credit card information, but you can just skip the setup. Just select skip and it will take you to this page where you can scan documents for free. All right, everyone, so that is my favorite way to scan documents into PDF on your Apple iPhone 15. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.